What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I am getting remotely tuned by EuroCharged. I purchased their Stage 2 tune along with the CPC Tune as well to round out my tune so I can be properly tuned for the modifications. For those of you that don't know, I have BTS intakes. I have BTS Catted Downpipes that are 200 cell. Also have VTA adapters, and of course the car came with the AMG Performance Exhaust. So to round out my modifications and make sure that everything is a-okay and I'm fully utilizing my modifications, as I decided to go with EuroCharged. So I basically have some instructions. I have to gain access to my CPC module, which is in my footwell. So I got to get started on that and make sure that that is accessible so that they can read the stock CPC and then flash the CPC along with the ECU. Oh, but first, like always, I'd appreciate it if you guys would smash that like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell, make sure it's on all so that you get notified when I come out with the next video. As always, I greatly appreciate it. All right, well, first up, I did take off the kick panel there from the door to gain a little bit of access there. Next, I got to peel back the carpet to see what's the layout of the module, see what I got to move back. All right, well, after removing the footwell panels back, that gains me access to everything I need to see. Just have to take off that plate right there with that nut there, that nut there, that nut right there. All right, that's all three. All right, so after taking off that panel, that is my CPC module. So it looks like there's a couple of bolts to the bracket and some plugs and tabs that I have to remove. That bolt there, then that's going to slide out. And then there's the bracket bolt down in there. And then those tabs right there on the plugs. Then I gotta peel back this bracket right here, unclip it from the other side, and then the CPC module should come out. But I'm gonna wait until my session starts to do all that, just so that I'm following the procedure that he needs me to follow. Right, with those two brackets out of the way, now I have to work on getting the CPC out of its bracket. Man, I had a time trying to get the old CPC out of its bracket. Kind of tricky. I think I gotta bend back something here, but the tuner just said I can just plug in the new CPC and put all this back together when it's finally flashed. So that's what we're doing right now. And now that the new CPC is in, he's got to flash the tune onto the CPC. And yes, I did cut my finger on the bracket. I did read and see that that's possible because those things are really sharp. Someone said that Mercedes on purpose knife edge sharpens those things, and I got caught. Bleeding pretty good, but it's all right. Looks like my CPC tune is loading up. Got some time for that happens. Got about a minute and change. So looks like the only thing left will be the TCU. I'm not sure if I'm going to need a TCU, even though I know that's related to shifting. If it's going to shift the way it's been shifting, I don't know, man. I'd have to make up my mind. If I really don't like how it's shifting with this tune, then I might invest in the TCU tuner. That's a pretty penny also. Already spent a pretty penny on the ECU and the CPC, along with the cable and, you know, the Bluetooth dongle. So I don't know. So far everything is okay, and it's just loading up. Well, we started it up and there were no codes and no more check engine light, so just told me to put it back on to key 2, and we're finishing up downloading. Well, I finally got the old CPC out of this bracket, man. It's a task and a half, man, to try and get both of these clips pressed at the same time so they can slide out. But hey, I got it out. This looks like one big mess to me, but all right, I gotta put the new CPC back in the bracket and put everything back together. All right, so the new CPC module is plugged in and back inside of the bracket. So now I really just gotta put everything back together and go for a ride. I did end up marking my old CPC module so that I don't get them mixed up. Everything is reconnected down here as far as the CPC and everything that was bracketed to it. Just have to reinstall the interior panels, plug back in this panel here that had the cigarette lighter and so forth on there, reconnect the battery, start it up, go for a drive. Alright, so your boy is officially tuned with the stage 2 plus CPC tune of EuroCharged. Everything went pretty smooth. Having some issues that are probably gonna result in a reflash, minor issue. So that's going to be it for now. I'm not going to be doing a review of this tune for quite some time. I want to kind of get acclimated to differences between stock and obviously this tune. So don't expect me to have a review for this tune for a little while now. Alright, so yeah, this process went together pretty well. It only took a little over an hour. Only reason why it took a little over an hour because I was having trouble getting the stock CPC module out of the bracket. So again, we had to just plug up the new CPC module, let them flash it, and then I had to put everything all back together. Everything down here is back together now. No, got cut on my finger. So yeah, I'm basically tuned now. All right, so if you have any video suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe. If you like what you've seen, you want to see more, please go ahead and subscribe and make sure that the notifications are on all so that you get notified when I come out with the next video. Alright, so one last thing, as always, please remember to have a blessed day and peace out.